Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to get a free RDP. So first thing, you have to be on a US location. For that need, you should have a VPN. You can use this Ohala VPN, it's free for everyone. And then I will I will push all those links below in the description. So first thing, you should copy this code here and paste it here. Check this box. Then you should sign in with your Gmail account. You should accept the terms. So after that, you have to check that you have 9 credits here. So then should refresh this page here. You're good to go now. So you're gonna hit this option here, migrating, and then hit this button, start lab. So click here, launch with 7 credits. So now click on this option here, open Google Console, and then you will sign in with those credentials. So just copy paste password. Accept the terms always. Confirm. Agree. You're gonna look here for something compute engine. Uh, here is it. And then you go to the first option here. So hit create. So now it's you are almost set, and it depends on which location you want your RDP to be located in. So you choose from here. For me, I'm gonna go with the default setting, and you should go here, pick this N1, and here click on custom, extend memory and increase it till the end. I'm gonna go here for like 6 cores, and the most important things it's here. So it depends on your needs, whether you want a Debian OS or Windows. So you should pick what you want from here. For me, I'm gonna pick Windows. So you should pick here Windows Server, and then you should go with Windows Server 2016 Data Center Core, or this one. Pick this one. Okay, here put 1000 gigabytes and hit select and create. So it's just a matter of time your IP address will show up here, and then we're gonna go with the setup on your laptop. So here is it. Uh, we copy our IP address and we look here for remote desktop connection, this one right here, and we paste our RDP. Then we're gonna go here and click on set Windows password, copy this one, hit connect and hit set at the same time. So here is our code, password, sorry. I'm gonna catch it and paste it right here and hit OK. So here is your free RDP from Google with full admin access. So if you like my video, guys, please don't forget to like it and subscribe. And in case you have any questions, please hit the comments below and I will answer all your questions. So thank you, guys. Hope to see you soon in a new video.